Attention! To forbidden foods, do not eat this anymore. In today's video we talk about 2 foods that should be banned. Take note. 1. Yellow cheese. Who has not accompanied his sandwich with a slice of yellow cheese? After reading this you will not want to use it again, and is that these slices that different brands sell packaged in individual plastic sackets are not advisable, since they contain a lot of salt and additives. They are made from fermented dairy products, cheese and food colorings that give it that yellow appearance. In addition, the milk they are made with is not well processed in some cases, something potentially dangerous for the body. Practically what you are consuming is plastic, because even if you compare it with the normal cheese has nothing to do in its color, consistency and flavor. 2. Moronga or black pudding. It has different names, Relano, Sarikua, but its content is the same, coagulated pork blood, cooked in fat and wrapped in a gut of small intestine. In other words, inlaid with blood. Delicious. The guts have a smell so strong and unpleasant, obvious, that, so that you can enjoy them in your kitchen, they have to wash with soap and lemon to remove all the smell. It takes a liter of blood without coagulating for the filling, but not everything is unpleasant. It is seasoned with salt, pepper, sugar, oregano, onion and garlic. Okay, for me it's still unpleasant. After putting it in the guts it starts to boil a good while. Has it happened to you that sometimes you feel something hard? Surprise! Sometimes they add crushed bones from the pig's head, that's what you feel.